Good morning to the Owwll App tutorial. Today we want to cover the referral tab and how to get referrals. So if you notice, this is your home screen. You're going to see right up here in the upper left corner by the Owwll logo, this little what we call a hamburger menu. When you click on that, you're going to see the slide out and how that works. So let's just go ahead and we're going to do that. You're going to see when we hit that, it slides over. And now you can see very quickly, here's your referral code right underneath your profile picture. So before we do that, let's jump down here. I want to show you what your referrals list looks like. Once you have referred some people, they pop up here in the referrals area. So that is once they have used your code, when they set up their profile, they now would show up here in your referrals. So let's go ahead. We're going to jump into that so that you can see what that list looks like. All right, so here's your referral list, and you will notice very quickly that there are some owls. You will see them over here. This gives you whether they're an expert or when you get here, they're still an owlet or an advice seeker. So here's some advice seekers. Here's an owl. If you have advice seekers in your referrals list, you can reach back out to them and find out if they are interested in becoming an expert. How do they do that? Just in a quick little snippet, all they need to do is fill out their profile to 100%, save their profile, go back to edit the profile, and in the upper left corner, there would now be a little toggle switch that would actually show that they could flip it over from owlet to an owl to become an expert. Once that happens, it will open a couple more screens up that they will then simply fill those in, set their price, and submit. Once that is approved, they would now be an owl, and their little logo here in your referral list would change from an owlet with the big eyeballs to a owl with the very small eyeballs. So you can see the difference here. They're very similar, but a little bit different. All right, let's keep moving. Let's look at how you actually get these people to use your code. Okay, so obviously you can scroll down and see all the different ones in here, but let's take a quick look at how you do the referrals. Okay, so you're going to go back over here. See the little golden button there with the copy right here. You're going to hit that. There we go. And it copied to the clipboard. So now we're going to take that and we're going to paste it into an Instagram message. So see the Instagram right here. We're going to click on that. There you go. Going to scroll up here. Let's find something. We'll send them a message. So you're going to click on message. There we go. And here we go. We're going to paste it right in here. So you're going to see, there you go, paste. And there you got it. So if you scroll up, you can see real quick here what we got. We got the Owwll beta, gives you the Apple link, referral code, and the Android link. So pretty cool. There you go. So that's pretty much it on that. Not too hard. Don't forget, this is where your referral code is. It's under the little hamburger menu in the upper left corner when you're on your home screen. So home screen, upper left corner, you're going to hit that little 3 lines or the hamburger menu that brings this up. Just hit this little button, now copies that entire little message with the links and your code right to your clipboard. And now you can go paste it into an email, a private message, or a direct message. So with that, we're going to end the recording. I hope this is helpful and that you will join us for the next tutorial. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.